Hello everyone, I'm Bradley Sward and this is my Day 17 Part 1 solution to the Advent of Code 2024. The problem's called Chronospatial Computer. I did the problem almost as always in Python. Here's what we've got. Here's my code, here's my solution. So we're basically just creating a virtual machine or whatever you want to call it. We're just running a virtual computer inside of our computer following a completely different operation set, right? So basically, we have three registers in our little program or our little computer, a little CPU, an A, B, and a C. And we're going to store that as the first element, the second, and the third. I have a program that is just a bunch of numbers. This is all in base, what, base 9 or ternary, or yes, it's ternary computer. So we have that going for us, and then we have the output, which we're going to output. I guess I would have had a solution faster if I realized they were actually just expecting me to put the commas in, because I think this is the first time it's ever expected me to put input a value that isn't just a pure up number. So it was just very, very interesting. And, oh man, I could have saved so much. Probably could have been in 1,000th place or something like that. But anyway, 2,000 something will have to do. So from that understanding, we're just building a virtual machine. So we have an instruction pointer, and starting at instruction 0, and then you just follow the rules. So basically, we're going to turn a literal. So I guess this whatever this value is, that's the literal value of the operand for each, for each operation operand pair, operation operand, operation operand, operation operand. It's fun to say. So just to say, if the combo operand is from 0 to 3, then we're going to keep it. If it's 4, we're going to use register 0. If it's 5, we're going to use register 1. And if it's 6, it's going to use register 2, which is A, B, or C. That's just what this is showing here. And so for the 8 instructions, as you see here, well, first, what am I doing using this function? I'm getting the registers, I'm getting the values from the program here. I could have just hard-coded the whole thing, but I just thought it'd be a little more fun to get going with this. So here's register A, here's B, here's C, and then here's the whole program. So we reduce this down to a list. And basically what you see is what you get here, right? So here's the operation at whatever given point in time. Here's the literal operand. And then here's the combo operand, which takes this one and then converts it into whatever value. And you just follow the rules. Basically do integer division with a power of 2, use XOR operation, use modulus. If the value isn't a 0, then use the literal and change the instruction pointer and then continue on. XOR operation, this is where the output was, and then create a list of items that are the output. Basically, 6 and 7 are the same as operation 0, except we're doing it instead of for the A register, we're doing it for B and C. And if you just keep repeating and repeating through the program, you end up with, and then you add a comma join, you get the answer here. And once you put that into the problem, you get yourself the solution. Which again, oh man, I just wish I had just understood exactly. I just thought that when you get to use commas to join, I thought, yeah, whatever, I get it now. Use commas to join. I just don't use joins very often in my Python code. So now part 2, oh my God, for the fact that just in my moment, how many people have gotten that solution? 50? I could be 51st place 40 minutes in if I could figure out how to solve it. Oh, that would be amazing, but ain't gonna happen. But it'll be interesting to see what kind of thought process I have. And I'm exhausted. It's been day 17 of this, and we'll see. Maybe we'll get to it tonight. Maybe we'll get to it tomorrow. It looks like it's the smartest people in the world here are having a hell of a hard time solving it. So I don't think I'm going to have any better time myself. So anyway, that's my solution. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I hope to see you in the next video, or at least maybe this will be the place where my streak ends at 33 here. Take care. Bye bye.